Hey guys, this is Jaffry and I'm about to teach you another way to earn some free PayPal money online. This is going to be really simple. This is going to be a really simple process, and it's going to be easy for you guys to get into. If you guys are excited to make some free PayPal money, type in free PayPal money in the comment section below. I'm still running my contest, so if you were on my last video, if you haven't seen my last video on free PayPal money, that was a totally different method than the one I'm going to be talking about today. You can actually check out that video at the end of this video. I actually leave it on the end screen. You can actually click it and go over to it. That's a totally different method than the one I'm going to be talking about today. Okay, so once you type in free PayPal money in the comment section below, you're going to be entered into my contest where I'm going to be giving some free PayPal money away next month, and I'm going to be picking a user on both of these two videos in order to give that free PayPal money to. So you definitely want to enter into that contest by commenting below. Go ahead and give this video a like because I know you're going to enjoy the content. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to waste your time. You can earn $10 per referral. A referral is basically somebody you're referring to an app, and you earning $5 from one app and you earning $5 from another app. So in the last video I talked about pay. I'm talking about a different app in this one. So let me go ahead and go through what you need to sign up for in order to get your link so you can start promoting and teaching people exactly how to do the same thing that you did, and you can also start getting your $5 free PayPal money bonuses. Okay, so the first one is called Dash. Okay, I don't know if you heard about Dash before, but Dash is a cashback app. It's basically similar to, well, it's the exact same thing as the app called Pay, which I talked about in the last video. So this is another cashback app. So this is actually double your cash back. Okay, so basically you will want to download Dash through the link in the description below, and you sign up. You confirm your email, you link a verified debit or credit card, anyone that you use. If you're international, you want to link a virtual card, or you can sign up for Payoneer and actually link a card from that card from Payoneer, because Payoneer is international, by the way. You can link that card directly to Dash. Once you link that card, you're going to get a $5 bonus. After you link the card, you're going to open up your Dash app, and it's going to say 0 at first when you download the app. Once you link a card, it's going to show up in your once you link a verified debit or credit card and Dash accepts that, you're going to see a $5 reward, and that's basically just for linking your card. You're going to get that $5 in free PayPal money in your Dash wallet, and once you make over $25 in Dash, you can then transfer your money directly from Dash to your PayPal account, which is giving you free PayPal money. Okay, once you do that, you want to get your referral link. So let me just show you how you do this. Oh, another thing with Dash, in order to withdraw your money from your Dash wallet, so the $5 in free PayPal money is going to your Dash wallet. Dash gives you 3 ways that you can transfer your money. You can transfer your money directly to your PayPal account, you can transfer your money to Venmo, and you can also transfer your money to your bank account, Venmo, and PayPal and Venmo, and then you can transfer money to your bank account. So those are 3 ways: PayPal, Venmo, and bank account. And let me just show you proof that I'm actually doing this method. So I'm just, like I said, I'm not going to show you guys BS. Okay, so let me type in Venmo real quick and actually show you guys, actually prove that I'm actually making money with this. Okay, so you can see Dash paid me $30. You can see this $30 payment in here, and if I go down here, you can see Dash paid me $25 on this one. So that's $25, and basically all you do is, like I said, use this link right here. You link a card, you get a $5 bonus. Okay, so you know this, what I'm telling you guys right now actually works. Okay, you can see Dash paid me another $45. So I chose to get my money through Venmo because Venmo processes quicker, but you can choose PayPal in order to get your money directly to your PayPal account. This is really simple. This is a way that you can continuously get free PayPal money using this method. Okay, so once you're signed up for Dash, and once you confirm your email, link a verified debit or credit card that you use, you get your $5 bonus, and you get your first cash back through the app. So basically, the card that you linked to Dash, you go and use it at an online store that's in the app, or either a local store that's in the Dash app. Once you use it at that store or that online store, you're going to get your first cash back, and then you're going to be able to withdraw all of your money from your Dash wallet to your PayPal account. Okay, and there's going to be free PayPal money. Okay, so basically you're going to sign up with Dash. Like I said, get your link in Dash. So let me show you how to get your referral link. I'm going to actually just pull this up real quick so you can actually know how to get your referral link. Your referral link is in the middle. So you just, this is the offers. These are where you're going to find out an offer where you can basically get your first cash back. It's taking a little bit of time to load, but these are basically the places that are in my area locally that I can go use the card that I linked to Dash in here at the store and actually get a cash back at the percentage that they have in here. So if I spend $10, I'm going to get 5% of that cash back to my Dash wallet, which I can then withdraw to my PayPal account. Okay, so in online it's the same thing. They're going to show you how much percentage of cash back you're going to get. You basically use the same card that you link to Dash to get that cash back, and then you're good to go. Okay, so once you come into the Dash app, you're going to hit refer. You're going to come in here, you're going to copy your unique link. You're going to need your unique link because you're going to start referring people to Dash as well. And once you start referring people to Dash as well, you're going to be able to earn $5 per person that you refer to Dash that links a debit or credit card. Okay, so that's basically the whole premise of the method. You're referring people. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is called Clio. Now I added Clio in here because a lot of people have been going crazy with Clio. It's really simple. It's a budgeting app. You can come over here and look at the Clio reviews. They're actually a very good company. They're really cool. They're based in the United Kingdom. You can sign up for Clio if you're in the United Kingdom and the US only for right now. But if you're international, you can actually sign up for Dash by basically getting a mobile VPN. Once you get a mobile VPN, you get a free text app, and you want to get a US phone number through that text app. You confirm your account through that text app, and you basically use a virtual card like Payoneer or the Cash App virtual card to confirm your card in there. And then the only thing you would need to do is get your first cash back by going to one of the online stores and purchasing something. Once you purchase something, it takes around 14 days to complete. And then you're good to go. So if anybody that's in Dash is international and that knows how to sign up for Dash in another country, comment the basic steps that you need to do in order to sign up for Dash so other people can do the same thing. But I think I basically got it right. You're going to need a mobile VPN, you're going to need a US phone number, and then you're able to sign up for Dash by linking a virtual card through the Cash App or Payoneer. If I'm missing something, anybody that's international, because I have an international user that has already made $150 with the PayPal, with this PayPal money method. So if that person is on, please comment how you signed up internationally, just so you can help everybody else that are international that want to sign up for Dash. Okay, but for Clio, it's basically a budgeting app. You come over here and basically you link an account, and they give you a way that you can do your budget. Okay, so let me just go step by step in how to sign up for this. Okay, you're going to go through the link below, and it's going to actually take you over to the Facebook Messenger, and it's actually going to help you sign up really quickly without going throughout all of the hassle. So basically it's going to be a budgeting app. Now, the reason why you link a card, because Clio wants to see what you're spending your money on, and then they're going to create a budget around your spending. So if I go over here to my actual home screen, okay, let me get out of accounts. If I go to my home screen, you can see that they created a budget for me, and I'm already $553 over budget. So basically, it tells you a way to connect your account and basically create a budget. Okay, you can see all of your expenses, what you spend money on, different things of that nature. So I set up a budget to spend only $966. I've obviously already spent more than my budget, so it's basically giving me a notification letting me know that I'm over budget. That's all it is. It's basically a budgeting app. It basically shows you what you're spending your money on, what you can save money on. That's all this app is. It's nothing more. And also, if you want to save money, you can actually create a Clio wallet, and what you're going to need a Clio wallet to create. You're going to need to create a Clio wallet in order to get your referral bonuses. But you just create a Clio wallet, and then you can actually set up a recurring savings. So every time you spend some money, they actually save some money in your Clio wallet. And whenever you get however much money you want in your Clio wallet, you can then transfer that money directly to your bank account, and it'll access, you transferring money directly from your Clio wallet to your savings. This is where your referral bonus is going to go to, and I'm basically going to teach you how to sign up for that right now, and then I'm going to end this video. Okay, so basically, when you sign up for the Clio app, AI app, through the link in the description below, they will take you to the Facebook, and you would do the sign up process on Facebook Messenger. You will then have to link a bank account. You can link your PayPal account. So let me show you how this looks. I've already signed up and I already did a budget or whatever, but I'm just showing you exactly how to sign up. Okay, once you sign up, they're going to ask you to link an account, and then they're going to tell you to click here to add an account. You just hit go. and I'm going to wait for it to, I've already linked PayPal in here, but I'm going to wait for it to load up so you can actually see how this is done. You hit link account, you hit continue, and you just basically type in PayPal. Give it a moment to load up. Sorry about this. It shouldn't take that long. My Wi-Fi has been acting up. Okay, there you go. You click on PayPal and you basically sign into your PayPal. If you have two-factor authentication on your PayPal account, you're going to want to disable that, and then after you successfully connected your PayPal account to Clio, then you can turn your two-factor authentication back on. Okay, so you click that and it's connected, and you are then good. Okay, once you've linked your PayPal account, you need to set up your Clio wallet. And it's basically, this is where the international users cannot go farther. So this is only for the US and the UK, the Clio app. You're gonna have to verify your address, your home address, set everything up in there. It's basically like you signing up for a prepaid card. If anybody in the US know how you sign up for a prepaid card, it basically happens once you complete your Clio wallet. Okay, once you successfully not connected, but successfully signed up for your Clio wallet, then you are complete. And now only thing you have to do is you're going to get your $5 bonus. So when you go through my referral link and you sign up for Clio, you connect your PayPal account and you set up your Clio wallet, you're going to get your $5 bonus. Okay, you're going to get your $5 bonus within 24 hours. Once you get your $5 bonus, you can withdraw your money from your Clio wallet to your bank account. So whatever bank account that you connected to Clio, whether that was PayPal or Chime, you can then withdraw your money directly to that account. Okay, once you sign up and get your initial $5 bonus. It's really, really simple. So if you want to, the way I'm doing it is, and if you cannot transfer your money to your PayPal account, because I know sometimes they might not let you do that. I haven't had a problem with it, but if you cannot transfer your referral commissions and your Clio wallet to your PayPal account, you're going to need basically your bank account. So any bank account that you use in the US will work. You basically just need to, like I said, they're going to automatically have it over here where you can just select which one you want to, where you want to transfer your money. Okay, so it's going to take a while for, okay, this Clio, okay, here it is over here. Basically, like I said, your referral commissions are going to come to your Clio wallet. They're going to be in your balance. You basically withdraw your money. You can withdraw it by basically signing up. So sorry about this. Update bank account. Okay, so I'm waiting for it. Okay, mine is not pulling up right now. It's probably because of my Wi-Fi. But basically, this is where your referral commissions, like I said, will come. And once you make enough money that you want to withdraw, you can then hit withdraw, and it is going to basically withdraw that money to your bank account. Okay, and that's basically the simple step. Okay, like I said, you can withdraw your money directly from your Clio wallet to your bank account. Okay, and then you want to get your Clio link. So all you have to do is type in referral link. Once you hit referral link, they're going to send your referral link, and you just basically copy this referral link, and you start referring people to Clio, and you start referring people to Dodge, and you're going to earn $5 per person that signed up for Clio, and earn $5 per person that signed up for Dodge. So in total, you're going to be making $10. So if you refer 25 people to these apps, you refer 25 people to this app, you're going to earn $250. Basically, let me divide that by 2. You earn $125 on Clio, and you earn $125 on Dodge. So if you refer 25 people, and it's really easy, I basically just come in here and I promote in these Make Money Online groups on Facebook, and I basically tell them that I have apps that they can sign up for, and I tell them if they want to learn how to sign up for these apps and I learn how to make the money, and I actually put some payment proof in the pictures below. I actually tell them if they want to learn how to do the same thing I'm doing, to put info. I basically send them a message. I send them the same instructions, and I send them the links. The links, like I said, you want to send them your link. So your link on Messenger, your link for Clio, and this link right here, and your link on the Dodge app, and tell them exactly how to sign up. Once they sign up through you, you earn $5 in that sign those apps, and that's $10 per person, and you only need $25 in order to make $250 per day with this free PayPal money method. That's the method. I just gave you a full way that you can start earning free PayPal money right now. This is really simple and it's easy to get started with. I just showed you how to sign up for each and every one of them. If you're stuck on a particular step, rewind this video and rewatch it. Also, if you want to enter my free PayPal money contest, type in free PayPal money below. And also, if you want to learn some more about how I make money online, you can check out more of these videos to the side of you right now. That's all I got for you guys. Peace out. Have a nice day, and I hope you guys take this information and use it. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.